When you need a custom part, should you choose CNC machining or 3D printing? Both can create complex parts from a digital design, but they work in completely different ways. One removes material from a solid block, the other builds a part layer by layer. So which one gives you better accuracy, strength, cost, and production efficiency? Let's compare CNC machining and 3D printing. The right choice depends on three things: part complexity, production quantity, and performance requirements. CNC machining is a subtractive manufacturing process. It starts with a solid block of material and uses cutting tools to remove unwanted material. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process. It creates parts by adding material layer by layer. Each technology has its own advantages. The key is knowing when to use each one. First, let's look at CNC machining. CNC machines use computer-controlled cutting tools to remove material from a metal or plastic workpiece. Because the part is cut from a solid billet, the material properties remain consistent. This gives CNC machined parts excellent strength and reliability. That's why CNC machining is widely used in aerospace, automotive, medical, and industrial applications. For example, parts made from aluminum 7075, stainless steel, titanium, or engineering plastics can achieve very tight tolerances. A typical CNC machining process can achieve around plus or minus 0.01 millimeter accuracy in precision applications. However, CNC machining does have limitations. The cutting tool needs physical access to the part. Deep internal channels, complex cavities, and hidden structures can be difficult or impossible to machine. Now let's talk about 3D printing. Unlike CNC machining, 3D printing builds parts layer by layer. This gives designers much more freedom. Complex shapes, lightweight lattice structures, and internal channels that cannot be machined can often be created with 3D printing. This makes 3D printing especially useful for prototypes, custom designs, and low-volume production. For example, engineers can quickly print a prototype, test the design, make changes, and repeat the process within days. However, 3D printing also has some limitations. Because parts are built layer by layer, the mechanical strength can vary depending on the printing direction. The layer interfaces may create weaker areas, especially in the vertical direction. Surface finish is another challenge. Most 3D printed parts show visible layer lines and may require post-processing. So which one is better for precision? CNC machining is the clear winner. CNC processes can achieve much tighter tolerances and better surface finishes. For parts with tight fits, threads, bearing surfaces, or critical dimensions, CNC machining is usually the better choice. CNC machining has an advantage because the material structure remains uniform. The part keeps the original properties of the metal block. This is important for high-load components. 3D printing can still produce strong parts, especially with advanced technologies like metal additive manufacturing. But material properties are usually more dependent on print direction and process settings. When it comes to cost, the answer depends on quantity. For one or a few prototype parts, 3D printing is often cheaper. There is no tooling cost, and production can start directly from a digital file. But for larger production runs, CNC machining usually becomes more economical. After the initial programming and setup, CNC machines can produce parts quickly and consistently. So how do you choose between CNC machining and 3D printing? Choose CNC machining when you need high precision, excellent surface finish, strong mechanical performance, production quantities, materials like aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, or engineering plastics. Choose 3D printing when you need fast prototypes, complex internal structures, lightweight designs, very low volume production. The best solution is sometimes combining both technologies. Many engineers use 3D printing for prototypes first, then move to CNC machining for final production parts. CNC machining and 3D printing are not competitors. They are different tools for different manufacturing challenges. The best choice depends on your design requirements, material, quantity, and performance needs. At Yijin Solution, we provide CNC machining and advanced manufacturing solutions for prototypes and production parts. Send us your drawings, and our engineering team can help you choose the right process for your project.